Assalamu alaikum viewer. Today our topic is learner appropriate tense. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. Having limited the range of potential method to those which satisfy the need of the curriculum objective. It is important to the curriculum developers to consider which of the remaining methods are consistent with the characteristics of the students involved, namely, and students increases abilities of and level of development in one sense. This creation will already have been considered when the objective itself has decided upon applying the criterion of the attainability to the selection of the objectives. See chapter 6. The astute curriculum developer would have taken such obvious characteristic as age, general ability and state of the intellectual development into account when deciding on the appropriateness of the objectives for the group of the student in mind. It is also possible to relate learning activities to the concepts argued by developmental psychologists such as James Piaget. Here, some activities would be more appropriate to the particular level of the learner development. Then others, poetry and the inquiry strategies, for example, may be more appropriate to the formal operations level, although for different reasons in earlier strategies. Drill and repetition may be more appropriate as might individual a small group after considering the appropriateness of the strategies to the learner and the available pool of the method has been further reduced in number. Resources. Having considered the name of the curriculum objectives and the characteristic of the learner, curriculum developers and teachers should apply the criterion of the resources ability. Some methods will require access to hardware, for example, film projector, computer tab, recorders, and software, for example, film, computer programs, tabs. But do these resources exist within the institution, and are they available at the required time? An objective that required student to observe the action of the ocean wave in practice to extremely difficult for a student in Alliance Springs. Clearly, the availability of the needed resources is significant. Criterion to be applied to the selection of the method when each potential method is assessed in terms of his criterion, the number of variable method remaining is likely to be reduced substantially further. Constraints closely allied to the criterion of the resources availability in the notion that in all teaching learning situations That's it for today. Come back in next video.